In Part 2, we share more reasons why to invest in gold. Secondly, gold appreciates over time. Remember how gold is indestructible and there's practically no wastage of gold that is taking place? Ask yourself, ever heard of anyone throwing away their gold? Not me. Most of the gold around us, such as jewelry or coins, are either sitting in reserves of central banks or in your neighbor's vault. The gold mining industries have failed to meet the demands of gold. The number of jewelry and gold investors are rising more and more. The depleting gold deposits supply pushes a significant rise in the price of gold. It forces gold to play the stabilization role of one's wealth. It is not affected by financial policies of any countries, unlike money. It is only influenced by the supply and demand of the world. During Diwali season, for example, there will be a noticeable increase in the demand for gold in India. You will see an increase of its demand and prices during that quarter of the year. Finally, gold is your financial guardian. Previously, you were told how gold basically has no default risk. Smart investors are aware that gold has intrinsic value and is a store of value by itself. Therefore, any forms of other cash-related investments such as cash funds went to gold. This act pushes the price of gold into another consecutive rise. Studies show that during the Mexican crisis in 1995, gold gained a rise of 107% in less than 3 months. Such is the case during the Russian ruble crisis in 1998. It caused a major rise in gold prices by 307% in 8 months. That is why most investors seek gold. Gold is becoming their insurance against failing economics, overspending governments, and their financial instability. Additionally, the beautiful part about gold lies in its neutrality. Studies show how gold is not positively or negatively correlated with other assets. This makes the correlation between gold and other assets practically of no consequence.